Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to mark your special occasion on your iPhone to get the reminder. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open the calendar on your iPhone, and after that you just need to pick the date that you prepare or willing to have the event for, let's say in this 22nd of January. And to add the new event or new occasion, go click this plus button and you can just start typing the title of the event. For example, like mom birthday, or let's say a party, and then you just need to go click this all day to get the reminder. Or you can also do a specific hours, and if let's say the party will start at 8 in the night and you need to get reminder at 6, so you just need to like found the specific hours, and after that you just need to go click the other part, which is the ends, and you can choose the specific hours too, how the way you will get the reminder. Let's say you want to get at 8, and whenever you're done setting the reminders time, you need to go into this alert, and you can choose like how many minutes you want to get remind, and now you just need to go click add. So that's the way how to mark on occasions and get reminder from your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.